Ring, ring.
Thank you for
Hindi, joke lang. Good morning.
Good morning.
Merry
What's-
Christmas.
Ay, Merry Christmas.
Ay, naku, high volume tayo ng calls
Wala akong pake.
today. Kumain na ba ng marami?
Bakit?
Siyempre,
Wala pa naman
maraming
Noche Buena.
calls. Kaya pa?
Kaya pa?
Fresh pa?
Nope.
Siyempre, authentication ha?
Oo.
Sige. For the sake of Christmas, choose
Okay.
peace.
Empathy.
Empathy.
Ngayon lang kasi Pasko.
Yes.
Game.
Okay, ready na. Hindi na sumagot.
Ay, sinasagot pala.
Sinasagot pala yun.
Oo.
Ring, ring.
Thank you for calling this MK. May I help you today?
Hi, oh my God, you people don't do it to me on the Christmas day. I'm here at the ATM and my card was trapped.
Oh my
Now,
God,
what
that's
am I
sad.
gonna do? Do I need to break this machine just to get my card inside?
Break your leg. Charing.
What? Come on, I'm
Wait,
serious. My
I need your
card.
account number first.
Why do you need my account number? I just need my card. Why do you need
It's
my
the first
account?
step to process your problem.
Process my problem.
Yes.
Whatever.
I acknowledge your I understand your feeling right now that your card is trapped because
You know
of
who
your
I am?
stupid. Huh? Not
You know
what?
No.
I don't know who are you.
I shopped
That's why I'm
$25,000
asking you
today.
that
I shopped $25 today, and I'm so embarrassed at the counter. I withdraw my money, and then my card was trapped in your machine. The machine is so trashy. Come on, get me a supervisor. Tell him what to do. I
Wait,
need it right now.
How will I
In
process
10
your problem
minutes.
if you did not give
Don't
your
do it to me
account
on
number?
Christmas Day, you guys.
Oh, call after Christmas if you don't want to discuss
What do you
this.
need from me?
I said I need your account number. Please tell me
You know what?
your
I don't
account
get
number.
it. Why you need my account number if my problem is just the ATM machine?
I will not access your account and you. I don't know who are you. What is my proof that you are the owner of the account? You're stupid.
Okay, my name is Deborah.
Oh, what's your account number?
You know my account number, and I know you. I know your voice.
That's not my card. That's not my card. So
Why do you
I am
have
not
to-
allowed
why do you
to
have
dictate
to-
your account number.
Why
Are
do
you
you have
stupid?
to ask over and over about my card, my account? I give it away on the IVR.
It's the process. If you don't want to follow the process, let's end up this together.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay?
Whatever.
Your card was trapped and you have $25.
25. Excuse me, that's $25,000.
$25,000.
And that's even $50,000.
The machine is still there. Why?
Of course. What do you think? It's gonna run?
Maybe. Maybe because of you.
Whatever.
No, we will call the bank.
What?
We will call the owner of the machine and we will but the process
They
is
are
not
closed.
is not
They are closed. But the customer service, you work 24 hours.
Yes,
so-
I will call the bank.
But they are closed. Come on, it's Christmas. That's why I'm using ATM. I'm paying my
No,
Using
like
my
this,
card.
like this. I did not say that I will call today. Of course,
What?
I will call the bank if
You made it
if they are
even-
open because it's a holiday. So it's Christmas. Be happy. Don't
so
don't.
happy. How
be
are you gonna
anger.
pay my grocery there? It costs 25,000. Don't embarrass me. Don't tell me that.
Wait.
Not on Christmas.
Why did you shop? What's the first thing you do? You try the ATM or you shop first? Are you you should know what the first will do. You should not
You should
shop
know
without
better.
the cash.
You should know
Are
better.
if you don't have cash, you swipe the card. Why did you put it in the ATM machine and then you
I prefer
shop
giving-
$25,000
I prefer giving
already?
cash because I just want to give tip to the cashier, to the bagger. That's why I prefer,
And that's not my
withdrawing
problem.
card.
It's your decision in life. sometimes your
You know,
decision in life
Get me
is
a
something your
supervisor
choice.
because
So
you're not
it's
gonna do it
Christmas
to
time.
me this
Merry
Christmas.
Christmas and change your decision in life sometimes, okay?
Whatever